Now, a super simple and easy way to sand or buff anything is with a drill, and this adapter pad will allow you to run a sandpaper disc or a cleaning pad. So let's see what these will do on here. So this is basically like Velcro. Just push it right on, pop it into the drill, and we're gonna sand out a scratch with this. So we've got a gouge on this aluminum part, and we're gonna take some sandpaper to it. Always helps to have some lubricant or even soapy water. Knock that out, no problem. Probably could have used a little lower grit here on the sandpaper. This was 400. Probably could have used like 240 or 320 on that. Would have gone a lot quicker, but we get the point. It smoothed that out really nicely. You can also use this adapter pad to sand plastics, but I would recommend using a foam pad in between the sandpaper. This will give you a little cushion so you don't gouge the plastic. So we've got a scratch right here that we're gonna sand out. Probably can't really tell on video, but plastic is soft, so that sanded really quickly. Now let's see what the red pad will do on this surface. Shines it up real quick. So whether you are buffing something or sanding something, these drill adapters are pretty handy just to pop into your drill. This is a 3-inch, works pretty good on parts about 3 inches wide like the silencer, or they're also offered in 5-inch, which probably would have been better for a larger surface area like this.